How to install Gnome on Ubuntu. First, let's open the terminal, and then let's update our system's package list by typing in sudo apt update. Type in your password. Now let's type in sudo apt upgrade. And now choose the Gnome version. For the full Gnome desktop with all of the additional software like LibreOffice, Firefox, and GIMP, you should run this command. And for a minimal version of Gnome, you should run this command. I'm gonna run the full one, so let's do sudo apt. After the installation completes, you may need to configure the display manager to set the Gnome as the default. Run this command and select Gnome in the configuration menu. And then reboot your system, and at the login screen select the Ubuntu or Gnome session from the gear icon. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.